What's up guys, in today's video, I'm going to be testing out this SteelSeries Apex 3 keyboard. Now I played with multiple keyboards. My very first keyboard was a membrane keyboard and it wasn't that good. So we're going to try it out. And I'm used to playing on mechanical keyboards, so let's try it out and see how good it is. Okay guys, so we have just loaded into Fortnite and I'm just going to practice in creative. No, I'm in the mechanics training. I'll probably just play that first, and then we'll go into a real game and test it out. So what I'm gonna do is just free build for a minute and see how smooth it is. All right. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna lie. This was definitely better. Like, I first learned how to play on keyboard and mouse on my Xbox One S, which was like, it was a 60 FPS console, and it was just terrible, honestly. But, you know, with the Xbox Series S, you know, I'm able to play on 120 FPS, so it's definitely a lot smoother. You know what, let's just try to do a quad edit. Oh shoot, hold on. Oh damn. There we go. Let's try to create some 90s now. That was definitely a lot better than I thought it would be. Alright, so now that I've been free building for a minute, I'm a little bit warmed up, I gotta say. So let's go ahead and head into a real game now. Let's go Foxy Floodgate. I'm feeling that bridge spot. It seems like a cool spot to land at. But yeah, hopefully I get this win. I'm really hoping that I get it. Overall, it has been, you know, a pretty good keyboard so far. Oh. How do I pick this up? How do I pick it up? Oh my god. Okay. Alright, we got it. Heal up. Wait. It's not my tab? Alright. Alright, I gotta change some of my keybinds here. Oh, there's a player right here. I don't know where my crouch button is. Oh, hit him once. I don't know why he just ran right in where I was. I see someone right there. They just like built their wall. I have no idea where they even went. Oh, I see him. Hit him 15. Oh. Calm down. Calm down there. Oh shoot. No. No! How did I lose that? How did I lose that, bro? And he... Of course, he had an enhanced revolver. But you know what? Let's play another game. Let's play one more game. Don't shoot at me, boy. Don't shoot at me. Wait, where did he go? Oh. Alright, boy. We just cleaned up a good fight. The hell? Oh, shit. Well, it doesn't matter anymore. Alright. Let's see who else we can find. Oh my god. The hell? 6. Bro's gonna hide under my cone. Watch this. What? Damn! At 27 HP, and of course I'm gonna get third party, bro. Cool. Come on, I'm so low, bro. You might as well just fight me right now while you're at it. Bro. And I get third partied. This is just great. Oh, Alright, I'm gonna use my amendments and then I'm gonna go attack that dude, whoever stole my kill, bro. Oh, wait. Oh, I see him. Watch out there. Wait. Ah, damn it. He boxed up. Damn it. Son of a bitch. Oh, you know what? We could just go ahead while he's distracted. We could just go into zone. But I don't want to use the shockwave because I feel like it'll give away my position. So we're just gonna climb up this mountain. I can see the medallion getting closer to me. Oh shoot, oh my god. Of course, man. Of course. Who's he gonna use next? His minigun? No? What is he doing? Oh shoot. What the hell is that? Shoot. Alright, last player. What is this guy doing? Why is he running away? Oh, hell no. I'm chasing after him, bro. Bro, there's no way, dude. Bro, wait, what? Come after me. Come on. Bro, wait, what? How did I die? From what? Wait, what did I die from? Okay, I'm not sure what I died from, but that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm out.